When our youngest daughter was born, she completely rocked our world. Now, I was not a first-time mom. My older daughter was almost 5 years old, and I thought I had this mom thing handled. But when my littlest was born, when she touched anything washed with traditional laundry soap, she would break out into hives and turn beet red. She would scratch until she would bleed, and I had no idea why. And I started taking a deeper look at the ingredients that were in the products that we were using and started learning about synthetic fragrance. I was shocked to learn that the FDA cannot require products on the market to be safe. They can be dangerous for you, and even if a company knows that those products include ingredients that are dangerous, they are not required to take them off the market. I was horrified. I had no idea, and I knew that I could do better. So I started formulating recipes of my own and completely changed the way we lived our lives. And that is how Essentially Crafty was born.